Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to download and install Eclipse IDE for Java in Windows 11. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started by opening your favorite web browser and browse this URL eclipse.org/download/ and then click on download packages link. Okay, from here select Eclipse packages tab and then select Eclipse IDE for Java developers, or you can select Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. Okay, now download this package. Click on this link. Now click on this download link to download Eclipse for Java zip archive file. After a successful download, go to download folder and extract this archive. Okay, now navigate to this directory and then copy Eclipse folder and paste inside local disk C or anywhere on your computer. Ensure that you have installed JDK on your system. You can check this on terminal by this command java --version. Okay, if you don't have installed JDK on your system, get a link in video description how to download and install JDK on Windows 11. Okay, now navigate to Eclipse folder. Now put the cursor on Eclipse icon and right click of your mouse and pin to start. Okay, now open Eclipse IDE from start menu. Okay, click here to launch Eclipse IDE. You can copy Eclipse into programs file. Okay, and from here pin to start. Okay, and then open Eclipse IDE. Okay, now launch Eclipse IDE. At the first starting, it may take a while. Okay, Eclipse IDE installed successfully on Windows 11. Okay, If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.